Hi, in today's video I'd like to talk to you about this Kenmore vacuum that I bought last year. It's a great vacuum. I already did a review on it if you want to take a look. And it works great, but there is one design flaw that is very annoying to me. So I found a really easy solution how to fix it. Kenmore guys had to be really cheap and they wanted to save extra 50 cents on it, which doesn't make sense, but that's the fact. There is a bad connection between the handle and the WAN. There is no way of locking that permanently or at least firmly enough so you wouldn't lose it. After a while, when you vacuum, of course this whole thing vibrates and this WAN gets separated from the handle and it just falls on the floor. It's really annoying and it happens every single day. So one way to fix this problem is to put a screw through the handle and through the metal WAN, which is not my favorite. So I just basically, I'm not using this anymore. I had my old Kenmore vacuum with this type of WAN, which includes some kind of, this is like a moving pen. So what I did, I made a little hole in the handle, just so when I push this in, this pin would just lock inside of the handle. And now it's done. Now this will never come off. If I need to remove it, I just have to push the pin. So that's the option that I came up with. So if original Kenmore design makes you crazy, that's my solution to this problem. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.